Hello and welcome back to our channel Trading for Beginners. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to log into your Coinsmart account. To do so, follow some simple steps with me. First of all, open your Coinsmart application or go to your browser in the default search engine. Then search Coinsmart, login. Then you can see login to your account. Click on it. Then it will take you to the login portal of Coinsmart. Or directly go to smartpay.coinsmart.com/login. Here, enter your email address and your password. Once you have entered your login credentials, click to login. Then you should be able to access your Coinsmart account. If you have forgot your password, you can get help by clicking to forgot password. And if you haven't created an account yet, you can create a new account by clicking to create an account. This much for today's video. If you guys find our video helpful, please leave a like and comment. And do not forget to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. I'll see you guys again in our next video. Thank you for watching.